Look at his fur. It bristles in the wind from the air conditioner. Also, he's a happy kitty, and he goes, need, 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 need. He says, I'm so happy you are here. Hello. This has got to be the only cat I've seen that'll do this for, like, just such a prolonged period of time. Oh, hello. He says, I go need over there by the feetsies. Hi, dear. He says, what's that? Come back over here. Hi, dear. Hello. Hello. My big baby. He says, hi. He says, I missed you. Hi, dear. Hi, dear. Are you a big happy cat? He says, yes, I am. He says, that's why my paws do the thing. Oh, that's a big sweetie. He says, now I sit. He says, now I sit and my hairs blow in the wind. Look at how long some of these hairs are. It's like they're all whiskers. Let me refocus. There you go. Look at that.